equals if your HP14 just won't start, we can help you. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often happens due to a faulty power supply or a corrupt operating system. Our technicians will first check the power connection and then look for any software issues. Once identified, we can either repair or replace the necessary components to get your device running again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.